done only through a well thought out plan, a plan which is sustainable through structures and through programs over a span of time. Because today, this injustice has befallen upon us. Our carbon emission is less than 1%. Yet, nature, destiny had this in store for us. But I think I want to be very honest and straight and very humbly request that let's, at this forum, make a plan to save our future generations. Excellencies, I would also like to welcome the new dialogue partners of SCO, namely Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Egypt, Qatar, Bahrain, Maldives, UAE, and Myanmar. We also support the request by Belarus for full membership of SCO. Inclusion of these friendly countries into the SCO family would further strengthen the organization. Let me conclude by reaffirming Pakistan's strong and unwavering commitment in advancing the objectives of the SCO. And most definitely I will join my voice with the voices here that let's start a very robust connectivity plan. And of course, when we move towards connectivity of Central Asian countries with neighboring countries, full transit rights would automatically accrue. There is no discussion about it, of course. And it will be a win-win outcome for all the member states. I think this is the time to act and act now. Thank you very much.